I always have like some kind of dog hair on my face. Anyway, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today I have a little assortment of hit and misses. These are products that I've been using for a bit and I wanted to go ahead and tell you what I'm loving and what I'm not loving. Okay, so the first thing I have here is from Glossier. This is a milk jelly cleanser. I do not like this. You could use this dry or wet. I feel like this leaves like a weird residue on my face and I have to go back with the cleanser and wash it again. I don't think it takes, not that I don't think, I know it does not take my makeup off. I feel like I really have to work at getting my makeup off. And this is a mini size. I do have a bigger size and I was really excited about this because I love Glossier products, but this is something that I just did not like at all. It has like a weird smell, like it has a smell like it's gonna leave your face oily, and I do not like it. Okay, the next thing I have here is from Ouai. This is a leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners, and I love some of the products that I've used from them before. I'm a huge fan of Kristinez. This is her leave-in conditioner. This is one of the best leave-in conditioners I've ever tried. I've had so many different bottles. This is actually a new one. And I love this one because when I wash my hair, I could just spray this, slick it back. I don't have to worry about hairspraying it. I don't have to worry about putting gel, and my hair stays in place. And then the next day, because I can't wash my hair every day because I have super dry scalp and hair, I can't wash my hair every day. So I just use this to kind of refresh my hair, and I pull it back and I never have any issues with it. She's available at Target. She has like so many amazing products. Like every time I buy something, I'm like obsessed with it. She's a celebrity artist, hairstylist, and she is Jenna Dewan's hairstylist. So that's how I found out about her, but I absolutely love her products. But back to this one, I got on a little tangent and left this one. Okay, so this one right here, I do not like this one at all. As you can see, I've been really trying to love this one, but I don't like it. It leaves a weird sticky residue on my hair that it's hard to get my hands or my fingers through it. When I pull it up in a bun, which is like the easiest hairstyle in the world, I like struggle. My hair feels gross. I feel like I have to wash it. When I put it in my hair when it's wet, it gets really frizzy and it just doesn't do anything for my hair at all. So this one I did not like. Another thing that I really like is Halo Beauty Booster. I have seen a huge difference in my skin and my hair. My hair has actually gotten longer. I never wear my hair down. You guys never see my hair down because it's a hot mess. But my hair does not grow. Like, it takes forever. I have thyroid issues and all kinds of stuff like that, and it just doesn't grow. But ever since I've been using the Halo, I've seen a huge difference in my skin. My skin's very glowy. My hair is just really long and thick, and I really believe that it's because of this, because ever since I've been using it, everything has just kind of changed. So I'm really loving the Halo stuff. Another thing that I've been loving, and I've talked about it before, I did a video, is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm in love with this stuff. Every time I use it, people look at their faces and are like, what the heck did you use on my face? Now, when I'm applying foundation, it does have a little grip to it where it takes a little bit longer to work that foundation on. But once you put it on over this, it stays on forever. It is great. I absolutely love it. I'm always getting compliments on people's skin and how their foundation stays, and it's just a great primer. And they have like a little mini where you could just kind of get it with your points, by the way, at Sephora. All right, something that I've been trying to love, and if you've seen some of my videos, I've been complaining about concealer that's not staying on my face. And unfortunately, it is the Marc Jacobs. The Marc Jacobs, and this is a accomplice concealer and touch-up stick. It's getting late. It's like 2 in the morning right now. But anyway, this little guy right here, I've been trying to love this, but I just don't like it. Every time I put it on, I don't feel like it does anything. My makeup looks terrible. It just gets worse throughout the day. And I feel like I have to constantly be babysitting this, you know, putting it on my eyes, make sure I'm nice and bright. I don't like it. I've tried it by itself. It does not last at all. I have dry under eyes. I just feels like my darkness start peeking through. When I set it with my favorite powders, which is my Laura Mercier and my Fenty, it stays good for about an hour and then it just starts to fade. So this is something that just doesn't work for me. As far as like pores and stuff goes, I don't feel like it blurs anything out. I mean, I do notice that when I touch myself up and I have a little bit of powder, because I can't really bake because I have dry eyes. So if I bake for a long period of time, it just gets crackly and cakey. So when I have a light layer of powder and then I touch up with this, I didn't seem to have any issues or anything like that. But another problem that I had, and this is actually the second one I have problems opening it up. Like the first one, I thought it was just like, you know, I got a damaged one or something. But can I tell you that this thing is hard to open? And if you don't have this little guy all the way down to the bottom, the first one I had kind of dug right into the cap because it kind of jerked it. So this right here, not only is it hard to open, you know, and this is my second one, it just doesn't stay bright enough. Like it'll stay nice and bright for a little bit, but other than that, it looks like you didn't put anything on. So this is a pass for me. I didn't like it and I really tried to love it. No bueno. Okay, so I bought something gimmicky. I love Brigeo. Their hair products have made a huge difference in my hair because I have really dry hair and scalp. So I bought this little guy right here because I wanted to stimulate my scalp. And of course I could use any brush because this is a little gimmicky. I mean, come on. But can I tell you that I love the way this fits in my hand? I could just go in without having that big handle and it just does the job for me. I feel like it's just stimulating my scalp and it keeps it nice and clean, and I just really like it. And also it's very easy because I know one of my friends was asking me about it and she's talking about mold, but this is very easy. It detaches easily. You can clean it up and then just kind of stick it back in there, and then it has this little guy where you can hang it. But I know it's gimmicky, but man, I'm telling you, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, the next thing I have here is this guy, Sol de Janeiro. Now this is the Acne Body Power Cream. I do not like it. In all fairness, I wear a lot of like cotton candy and, you know, pink sugar and Barbie perfume for kids because my body chemistry is so weird. Like certain things just don't mix well with me. Perfumes, I love to buy them, but they're just sitting there looking pretty because they don't mix well with my body chemistry. So this right here is like even worse. It smells horrible. It smells horrible. It smells so horrible to me that my friends don't even want. I keep trying to ditch it on them, but they don't want it or give it to them. So yeah, they've been ditching it. So I don't like it. It smells even worse when I apply it on my skin. Like this one right here, obsessed with. This one right here, and not so much. All right, the other thing I have here is that Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I love this stuff. I love it. It is like great. It is hydrating. It is lightweight, and it is a really nice one. But can I tell you that when I first bought it, I'm guilty of this. I don't check to see how many ounces, how big it is. I don't do anything. Now this hydrates, it delivers essential vitamins, amino acids. Like I said, it has a lot of really good stuff to it. But you know what? This was great. Like it had a really nice fine mist that went all over my face. And all of a sudden today, I don't know if you saw that, not so much. Like I'm wasting so much product because it shoots out at one time really harsh, where it shoots you in the face. I do not like it. I need it go. Hopefully they'll exchange it, but this is not good. And I love it, but it's doing weird stuff at the moment. Okay, so another thing that I'm loving, like I mentioned, dry scalp and dry hair, is my Earth Nectar Mint Leaf Scalp Oil. Did I just spit? Anyway, so this I've been using like as a hot oil treatment. This with my Brigeo has been saving my butt because I usually have to get, I call it my doctor shampoo because of my scalp. But the thing is, my scalp got used to the doctor shampoo, so the doctor shampoo is no longer working on me. So the Brigeo, I've talked about it a million times, has been saving me. All of their products are so great, and my hair just feels different, and the scalp is not crunchy balls and flaky and all this weird stuff that it was doing. So this mint leaf scalp oil has been great. I just kind of use it as a hot oil treatment, and this has been helping me a lot with that flakiness. Okay, so something else that I'm like in love with because I love chocolate frosted donuts. I'm like obsessed with it. So I found this little guy at Ulta. This is Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup Revolution. I don't know. Anyway, I love it because it is really nice and squishy. It is very, very girly. It has a mirror and then it has these colors. Now they do have different donuts. They have like a pink one, a yellow one, and a blue one. But I was like so obsessed because I love neutral colors. But can I tell you, look how crazy this is. Like I'm going to swatch it and you're going to pee in your chonies. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. The colors are gorgeous. Like that is the most beautiful brown ever. And then we have a matte brown. Look at that, $7 freaking bucks. And then there's this guy in the middle. I mean, holy cow, those are gorgeous. $7, and it is the cutest compact in the world. I absolutely love it. Okay, another thing that I have here that one of you guys, asked me about, and I actually found it at TJ Maxx. It's a little baby one. Okay, so this is the Laura Geller. Let me make sure I tell you exactly what it is. It is the Double Take Baked Versatile Powder Foundation. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so I need to buy the bigger one. It does have like a little mirror, and look how pretty. This is the most beautiful powder foundation I have tried in a bit. It is so pretty, and I've been using it with this combo, and my skin looks flawless. Like it looks perfect without it looking heavy and cakey or anything like that. So I love this. Even by itself, I just like to get a little brush when I'm out the door, put it on, my skin looks perfect, and this is like a great little powder. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, how can I forget? Okay, so this little guy right here, Ay Chihuahua, I love, especially because it comes in a pump, and oh my God, the smell is ridiculous. Okay, it is the most ridiculous thing ever. Look at that. It leaves your skin with this beautiful glossy, now I put a little bit too much, but oh my God, it smells gorgeous. It leaves your skin really pretty and dewy. And I love using it on the models because their skin is just like, has this nice little shine when it's photographed. And I'm obsessed with that. They do have different colors. And again, it's in a pump. Now, what was I going to say about this? It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm still messing around. I don't know what else to say about it because I'm getting tired. But can I tell you, I'm in love with it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And they do have different colors. I can't remember. When I go to bed, I'm going to remember. Okay, what else do I have? I think that's it, man. Is that it? Hell yeah. I think that's it. Anyway, I'm done. Yeah, I get to go to bed. Yes, I'm done. Anyway, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye.